See students, the meaning of thermit welding is molten metal will be used to join the two transfer sections of the rail. So here molten metal will be added over here into the crack or into the gap of the rails, and when it will be cooled down, some amount of heat will be released which will bring together this metal parts, and this is how the two sections of the rails can be joined, and this is known as thermit welding. So thermit welding is an exothermic process in which the heat is released and the same amount of heat is useful for bringing two different sections of rails together. Now, extraction of less reactive metals. So the metals which appear at the bottom of the reactivity series, like that of mercury or gold, silver, white gold, that is platinum, copper, these are less reactive. That is why this occurs into the free state into the nature. Now the reserves of copper in free states are very few, so these are mainly found associated with sulfur. So this so you can find some sulfide ores of copper. Now how you can obtain copper from its sulfide ore? So you'll have to oxidize it. You can heat it strongly in presence of air, that is roasting, and then that copper sulfide will turn into copper oxide and sulfur dioxide gas will be evolved like this. And if you're heating copper oxide ore along with copper sulfide ore, then also copper will be left alone and sulfur dioxide gas will be evolved. So this is how you can obtain copper. So this was the extraction of various kinds of metals. I've taught you highly reactive metals, moderately reactive metals, and less reactive metals. In next video we'll be studying refining of metals. Till then, have a knowledgeable day. Thank you.